Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account where you'll add a recovery email. Enter your password if prompted to confirm identity. Once inside security settings, locate the recovery or contact email field and click Edit or Add. Make sure the new recovery address is one you control and check it for recent activity. This helps prevent lockout. While adding, watch for verification prompts. Do not navigate away. You're initiating a preventive step that saves time if you lose access later. After submitting the recovery email, the provider sends a verification code. Open that inbox, copy the code, then paste it into the account form. Once verified, adjust priority or label it primary or backup so recovery flows correctly. Make sure two-step verification settings don't block the new address. Grant trusted device status if required. Review alternate contacts and remove outdated ones. These middle steps ensure the recovery path works reliably rather than just existing on paper. Save your changes and wait for the confirmation email from the provider. This confirms the address is active. Once saved, test the recovery flow by initiating a password reset to confirm you receive codes or links, then cancel before changing anything. If you don't get verification, check the spam folder and request a resend. Make sure forwarding rules are off. If problems persist, use an alternate recovery method or contact support with account proof. This avoids getting locked out permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.